I'm Mike Dell'Anno. I'm the former technology manager of the Edge Computing Group. The reason that role is important is that we partnered and I had the responsibility for commercializing the GRC version of EdgeOS, basically the early version. So we needed some help in doing that commercialization. So we partnered and were introduced to eInfochips, I'm going to introduce in a moment, to help us do that. So we, over about a 3 or 4 month period, worked with them. They helped us basically generate documentation. They helped us install the Edge operating system, which is a complex beast, onto hardware platforms, deploy containerized applications. Documentation included user guides and product manuals. We also had to go through open source scanning and documentation for that. And they also got to the point where they were starting to identify bugs and do pull requests for fixes that they were incorporating. So today, EdgeOS, which is the GRC version, which is the predecessor to Predix Edge, is actually commercially being deployed on some very early GE additive platforms. And that's basically kind of an early stage for Predix Edge to eventually take over. And we would not have been able to do that without the eInfochips team.